Okay, we just got out of a cab with our driver, Abdul Lithi.
A party cab.
Party cab. And our cab driver asked if we wanted to listen to Egyptian music.
Like belly dance music.
It turned into a party cab. He made us all dance.
Yeah.
Like made us.
Danced the whole time.
You
Thank
did.
you very much.
You really did. Slightly uncomfortable at times as he almost ran over a biker.
Yeah.
There's a cyclist! We're on a walking tour. We're walking by a property, this property, that is owned by the Vatican, and apparently the Pope is actually in Argentina, so it's possible he's here right now.
Pope Francis what?
Buenos Aires has proven to not only be a beautiful city, but a huge city with dozens of unique neighborhoods to explore. Two of the best ways I found to explore as many as possible was to join in on a walking tour and a bike tour. If you do a bike tour, I highly recommend BA Bikes. It was a great tour and our tour guides were amazing. I did the South Circuit tour, and one of the coolest areas we went was the Boca neighborhood, where the artsy and colorful Caminito area is located. This place is an Instagrammer's heaven. We also went through the Puerto Madero neighborhood, a beautiful and wealthy neighborhood on the water with a great food truck scene. And finally, we went through Plaza de Mayo. Another neighborhood that I was really excited to see in Buenos Aires was the Recoleta neighborhood, where I ended up taking a walking tour.
This is the law school over here. And apparently all schools in Argentina are free, all the way from first grade through university. So it's free, it's public to everybody, which is amazing.
We also saw the beautiful Floralis Generica, the metal flower sculpture.
The statue is supposed to work like an actual flower, so during the day it stays open and there's solar panels, and then at night it closes back up. I believe it's broken right now, but it's still really cool. I'm standing under the oldest tree in Argentina. They literally have statues and artwork holding it up. It's pretty incredible, actually. We're on the rich people street right now.
We ended the walking tour at the Recoleta Cemetery, where we saw Evita Perón's grave and heard some really creepy stories.
So we're walking around Recoleta Cemetery. Really, really pretty here. In a very creepy way, of course. No one can be buried here anymore, and this was definitely for some very rich people. Evita Perón is buried here. Okay, so this grave right here. This woman was 19 years old, and she died when she found out that her and her mother were dating the same person. And she died because she had a heart attack when she found out. So the mom felt so bad, they buried her here. 2 days later, the mom came back to check on her, and the grave had moved a little bit. The coffin had moved. Turns out she was still alive when they buried her. So that's a little creepy.
Here's another creepy one. This statue was created for a woman who died in an avalanche during her honeymoon. Meanwhile, her beloved dog, who was back home, died on the exact same day. street art and the street food was among my favorite things to check out in Buenos Aires. They also have a Sunday market in the San Telmo neighborhood that you could spend the whole day at and still not see it all. We're at El Tenio Theater, which is now a bookstore. Pretty cool. Kind of wonder what the rent is on this place. Buenos Aires is arguably one of the best cities in the world for food. Cafe Tortoni has hands down the best hot chocolate in the world. Now other food shoutouts go to La Cabrera for steak and of course Chori for the best choripan, aka chorizo sandwich. No stop in Buenos Aires is complete without checking out a tango show, which also included a yummy dinner. Argentinians love their football. There's a big rivalry in town between two teams, Boca Junior and River Plate. A great way to feel like a local is to head to one of the games where the fans go nuts. There's truly something for everyone in Buenos Aires. Let me know in the comments what your favorite parts are and what I should do there next time.